Good morning, friends, and welcome back. This week I'm going to take this jar and turn it into this. Now when you do this, you want to make sure you have an opening that's large enough to fit your hand inside of, although my intention is to pick up my papers carefully with my paintbrush and apply them like this. And this is the napkin I'm using. Now I just got these from Amazon. I have the links below for these. I'll have the links to everything you need with the exception of a jar because I'm pretty sure you have one lying around. And the idea of this is we want to upcycle something and reuse it. So I'm going to be using the napkin decoupage glue. You can go through all of my links below to get the products. By the way, guys, I do earn a small commission, a small fee, when you purchase through my links. But the other good thing is, since you're going through Amazon, if you see something you like of mine and you go down there and you click on the link and you buy it, you can continue to buy everything else you need for anything else. You don't have to sign out and go back in because you need, something for the house or a book or something like that. So these are the napkins I'm using. I will be using, this is called mulberry paper. I'll have links down below to this also. And I will show you how I do this.